Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an authenticator for Binance. First, ensure you have the Binance app installed on your mobile device. Then, download a trusted authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, from your device's app store. These apps generate time-sensitive 6-digit codes, providing an essential extra layer of security for your account. This process is quick and significantly enhances your crypto asset protection. Once you have both apps, open Binance and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon, then navigate to Security. Here, you'll find the Authenticator app section. Tap Enable or Manage to begin the setup. Binance may ask you to complete a quick security verification, like a fingerprint scan or email code, to ensure it's really you making these changes. After verification, Binance will present you with a 16-digit secret key and often a QR code. This key is vital for linking your accounts. Copy this key or prepare to scan the QR code. Now, open your Authenticator app, tap the plus sign, and select Enter a setup key or Scan QR code. Paste the 16-digit key or scan the code, then name the account something clear like Binance for easy identification. Your Authenticator app will now display a constantly refreshing 6-digit code. Quickly return to the Binance app, enter this code into the designated field, and tap Submit. Congratulations! Your Binance account is now secured with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your 16-digit backup key in a very safe place. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.